But you believe that it's true?
Yeah,
That Filipinos are just as good in business?
no offense men, pero Filipinos are better.
No kidding!
Na misguided lang eh. Yung creativity at saka yung galing, minsan nagagamit sa maling bagay.
You think Filipinos are better? Kasi parang we were not brought up to be businessmen. We were brought up to be professionals.
Yeah, the problem is this, eh. Yung mga Filipino-Chinese, no, when they started from nothing. They're willing to take risks. Risk-takers sila.
Yeah.
Kasi they have nothing to lose. Pero ang mga Pinoy, they want something na ano, yung parang comfort eh. Yung parang safe.
Yes.
They're afraid really to take risks because they have fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear of what other people might say. Uy, nakakaya naman sa ating bahay. Diba? So, parang pinapakita natin, naghihirap na tayo eh. Totoo naman, naghihirap tayo.
Tsaka may takot. Paano kung malugi? Ito na talaga, ito lang meron ako. Tsaka parang nag-aantay lagi na dapat malaking kapital, deep pockets, parang ganun dapat.
So, but I once attend a public speaking event and there was a billionaire. Billionaire siya. He's the first Filipino brown billionaire in the Philippines. Kasi sinabi niya, hindi ko maintindihan tayo mga Pinoy. Bakit tayo natatakot na magnegosyo at sumubo? Ano ang mawawala sa atin? Walang-wala na tayo at the first place.
Nothing to lose.
Oo, nothing to lose. Ang dapat daw matakot na magnegosyo, yung mga milyonaryo at bilyonaryo. Kung sila ay nagkamali, milyon at bilyon ang mawawala.
Bakit nga raw?
Kaya nga, yun nga, because of that mindset, na natatakot ako na mag-take ng risk.